Potatoes and bacon fried together into a lovely crispy hash and served with cheesy baked beans. What could be better for a lovely comforting dinner? I've got 500 grams, which is a little over a pound of potatoes here that have been peeled and chopped into bite-sized chunks. We're going to place them in a pan of cold water, set it over a high heat and bring to the boil, then simmer for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, heat half a tablespoon of oil in a large frying pan over a medium-high heat. Add 8 strips of bacon and fry for about 5 minutes, turning once until crisp. Then remove from the pan and place on a chopping board. When those potatoes are parboiled, turn off the heat and drain them. Now add another tablespoon and a half of oil to the frying pan that you used to cook the bacon and heat over a medium heat. Add the drained potatoes to the pan in a single layer and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Try not to move them around too much so they brown nicely, but keep an eye on them to make sure they don't burn. While the potatoes are cooking, we're going to add 2 400 gram or 14-ounce tins of beans to a pan, along with 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika and 1/8 of a teaspoon of white pepper. Heat over a medium heat, stirring occasionally until hot, and then reduce the heat to very low just to keep them warm. Now use a spatula to turn those golden potatoes over in the pan, and we're going to add in a finely diced onion and 1/4 teaspoon each of salt, black pepper and garlic powder. Continue to cook the potatoes and the onions, turning occasionally for a further 5 minutes until the onion softens. Chop the cooked bacon into small pieces and add back into the pan with the potatoes. Stir together and cook for a further 1 to 2 minutes to heat that bacon through, then turn off the heat. Add 50 grams of grated mixed cheese to the beans, stir together and turn off the heat. And now we're ready to serve. Divide the potato mixture between plates and spoon the beans on the side. And then we're going to sprinkle another 50 grams or half a cup of mixed cheese on top of the beans. Finish off with a sprinkling of spring onions and black pepper. That's my potato and bacon hash with cheesy beans. Carbs and bacon. What could be better? See you next time.